Hello and welcome to pH Chemistry. Today's explainer is the relative formula mass, MR. By the end of this video, you'll know how to add it up correctly, including those tricky brackets, and why getting MR right is the first step in nearly every chemistry calculation. Relative formula mass, MR, is the sum of the relative atomic masses of all atoms in a chemical formula. To find it, take each element's relative atomic mass from the periodic table, multiply how many of that atom appear in the formula, and add the totals. MR has no units. Three things. 1. Read the formula carefully. Small numbers are subscripts. 2. Brackets multiply everything inside. And 3. MR has no units. It's just a number on the relative scale. Common slip. Ignoring the brackets. In CaOH2, the 2 applies to both the O and the H. That's 2 oxygens and 2 hydrogens. So MR equals 40 plus 2 times 16 plus 1 equals 40 plus 34 equals 74, not just 57. Quick example, water, H2O, that's 2 times 1 plus 16 equals 18. Sodium chloride, NaCl, 23 plus 35.5 equals 58.5. Calcium hydroxide, CaOH2, 40 plus 2 times 17 equals 74. Always count every atom. Right, if any of this is going to stick beyond this video, drop into phmaths.com. You'll find a free 4-week GCSE higher revision planner ready to download, plus the mastery workbooks across maths, physics, biology and chemistry. One for every topic, every answer fully worked, every common slip flagged for each of the subject. Simple explanations, serious results. See you next video.